The big question. $1,500 for a phone. Sounds insane, right? But what if I told you one of these devices hides a flaw so fundamental? It could change how you trust your tech forever. This isn't just another unboxing or another specs battle. This is the war that decides the future of smartphones. This is iPhone 17 Pro versus Samsung Z Fold 7, and what you're about to see will either lock you into one ecosystem for life or make you rethink everything you thought you knew about smartphones. Display war. First, the screen, the portal to your digital world. Samsung's Z Fold 7 doesn't just show you content, it transforms, unfolding into a 7.6-inch AMOLED mini tablet. It's immersive, buttery smooth with 120 Hz, and feels like carrying a portable cinema in your pocket. But then comes Apple. The iPhone 17 Pro's Super Retina XDR isn't just sharp and bright, its nano-glass tech reduces reflections by 40%. Imagine standing in blazing sunlight and still seeing crystal clarity. No glares, no distortions. It's the kind of subtle innovation that doesn't just look cool, it changes the experience. Cameras showdown. Cameras are where foldables always stumbled, until now. The Z Fold 7 flexes with a 200-megapixel sensor paired with AI fusion, finally giving night shots that don't just look good, they look studio-grade. A foldable doing that? That's historic. But Apple isn't just playing catch-up. It's rewriting the rules. The iPhone 17 Pro unleashes 8K cinematic video and a periscope zoom lens that can grab detail across an entire street. This isn't a camera anymore. It's a filmmaker's toolkit in your pocket. Hidden power reveal. Here's the twist. Apple's A18 Pro chip doesn't just beat the Z Fold 7. It crushes last year's MacBook Air in AI rendering. Think about that. A phone outpacing a laptop. That's absurd power. But Samsung counters with something Apple doesn't even attempt. Extreme multitasking. Running 3 apps side by side, dragging content across windows, folding and unfolding without breaking flow. This isn't about raw power anymore. It's power versus flexibility. Which one matters more to you? Battery and durability. Big phone, big battery, right? Not always. The Z Fold 7 packs a 5,000 mAh beast, but drains fast under its demanding display and multitasking. Meanwhile, Apple once again works its efficiency magic, squeezing out surprisingly long life from a smaller cell, and then comes Samsung's durability flex, a hinge tested to survive 300,000 folds. That's 80 opens and closes every single day, for 10 years straight. This isn't a gimmick. It's engineering confidence. Final verdict. So, which one deserves your $1,500? The Z Fold 7 is bold. A glimpse of tomorrow with a phone that transforms into a tablet. It's innovation, it's productivity, it's future in your hand. The iPhone 17 Pro is different. It's refinement perfected. Blazing speed, effortless reliability, and polish you simply can't ignore. The truth? It's not about which is better. It's about which future you're ready to commit to, the adaptable fold or the perfected classic. The shocking truth. If you've watched this far, you already know this wasn't a simple product review. This was the truth behind two titans shaping the future of smartphones. But here's the thing. The next battle, it's even bigger. So hit that subscribe to Techie Hub, because here you don't just watch tech. You experience the future before anyone else.